Hello guys, I am Ali Jawad and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will go for the lesson number 2 on chapter 22 Electromagnetism from CAIE Syllabus 5054. In our previous videos, we have discussed that how magnetism is generated when a current is passed in wire. So before proceeding with the lessons, those who are new to the lessons, they are requested to go for lesson 1. I am giving the link over here in the video. So in our first lesson, we have discussed that whenever we pass a current in a straight wire, a circular magnetic field is generated around it. And the direction of field is given by the right hand rule. Means when you will point the thumb of your right hand in the direction of current, the curl of the right hand will give you the direction of magnetic field. So if the thumb is pointing upward, then it will be like this, and if the thumb is pointing downward, then it will be vice versa. So this is helpful in determining the direction of magnetic field. To go into the details of this topic, you need to watch lesson number 1. Now, today we will discuss that what will happen if the two wires are placed parallel to one another and current is passed through them. So, as the brain suggests, the magnetic field will be generated around each wire. So there can be two cases. Both the wires have the same direction of current in it, or the wires have opposite direction of current in it. So if the direction of current is opposite in both of the wires, then the magnetic field will be generated, although one will have a magnetic field clockwise and one have a magnetic field anti-clockwise. So on the left wire, if you will apply the right hand rule, the magnetic field is in anti-clockwise direction, while in the wire which carries the current in the downward direction, the field is opposite, as you can observe the arrows which are drawn on this sheet. So if you may look at this region, the direction of magnetic field is same, so it will behave as the same poles, means north one facing the north pole, or it can be considered as south pole facing the south pole, because the field lines are in the same direction. So as we know that when the same poles interact to one another, they get repelled. So the same happens is the current in the opposite direction is passed, the wire should repel. This is the top view of the magnetic field around the wire. So one is anti-clockwise and other is clockwise. However, the direction of the field from the center is same. So the wire will get repelled from one another and they will bend away from one another. Let us watch this in an experimental video. Now let us talk about the second case. If the direction of current is parallel, so we can apply the right hand rule to get to the direction of magnetic field. So in both of the wires, it will be same. So as you can see, the field at the corners is opposite in nature. So do it will in the center. So one will go like this and other will like this. So the arrows are opposite in nature. It means that one will behave as a north pole while the other will behave as a south pole. And we know that when the opposite poles face one another, they should get attracted towards one another. This is the top view of the field, how the wires have a magnetic field around them and what are the forces which will be experienced by the wires. As you can see, the forces are directing towards one another. So the wire should get attracted. So they will come towards one another like this. Let us watch this experiment in a laboratory. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you might have liked the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the latest videos on the same topic. Thank you for watching.